Hi everybody, my name is Ben. I'm a new gun owner. I bought this beautiful Rock Island a couple months ago and I could not really find any useful video how to take it apart. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. I don't say it's the recommended way, but it's a way how to do it. Whenever you clean a gun, whenever you take it apart, make sure it points away from you, nothing loaded, no ammunition around you, so nothing can go wrong, and always point it away. First, check the gun, it's not loaded. Nothing in the chamber. Then the next thing it will be, you see here the little mark. I'm gonna slide it back to the little mark. Can you see it here? Okay. Push it out. See how that comes out? You wanna hold it tight here. If you don't hold it tight here, it might slide away. Then you can pull this pin out. Once you have that pin out, you can say lay that to the side, and then you carefully let the top slide go. Slide it out. As you see, goes easily apart. Now you have the barrel inside the slide, and you want to get the slide out. And as you see, this gun doesn't have the barrel bushing in the front. There's no barrel bushing in the front. All the videos I found, they have a barrel bushing in the front. This gun doesn't have the barrel bushing in the front. So what you might have recognized is when you push this all the way out, you see here a little tiny hole. Now what I took is, I took a paper clip. It's just a wire from a regular paper clip. Just bend the end off. Now what I do is, I push this spring super hardly in, all the way to the end. Now I put this wire from the paper clip into that hole. Now you gotta make sure it's pushed here. Now you see how the paper clip pushes this bushing inside. Now you can slide the barrel all the way back and all the way out. I'm sorry, that's not the barrel, that's just part of the slide. Now if you want to get the barrel out, the barrel goes to the front. So you can see, now the gun is apart. I talked to several gun shops and gun ranges. Everybody recommended, don't take the gun more apart than this, except you do a real deep cleaning. So I just been recently on the range. I feel like it needs a bit of clean, it needs a bit of lube. I got a 45 caliber snake. What I usually do, I lube this a little bit with that spray. Go a couple times through the barrel. Gotta push it really hard too. You got here those wire brushes, they push it, they give it a really nice deep clean. Again. You look inside now, the barrel is super clean. what I also do, I take this, put them around the back end from the Q-tip, roll it in, and go again in the rails. The rails need to be really clean. Q-tips I have, they tend to break, so I just break it off, push it over, use it again. We want to take this piece apart to give it a deep clean. You gotta be really careful because that springs on proper tension, so I can't pull it out, but I gotta really hold really tight. So let it go. Then don't lose anything, don't lose the spring. You will see that the spring is a little bit kind of cone shaped, so when I slide it on here, gets tight. If I would do it the other way around, doesn't do it the same way. So just, you see also here it is open, and this side it's not open, so make sure put it back together how it was, so you can give that a clean. It's really necessary. I clean it only like every other time. So the toughest part is to put that back together. So when you put it together, make sure you put the spring like this and hold it super tight. This piece can fall off. It goes inside here. Push it in all the way as hard as I can. Make sure you not let go. If you have to reposition, that's fine. Just don't let it go all the sudden. Push it really nice together. See, I got it back in. As I said, it's hard to push. They gotta line up though. Now, I got most piece. Give it a wipe. Still kind of greasy, so take the air again. So what I usually do is I take gun oil, and I mean if it's really dirty, I use here the special tool to go through the barrel. This time it wasn't really much dirty, so just take a shop towel, dry off all the unnecessary spray. I don't need much lube outside. Then I usually look to the magazine that they're clean. If you ever want to open the magazine as well as part of your gun cleaning process, just that little button, you push that forward, slide this thing forward. Watch out, depending on the magazine, it might be that this pops out right away. Here there's another slide, then comes the spring, take it out, then you have the plastic piece. Spins inside. This is can give that decent wipe. When you see here that might be dusty, that can cause a jam. I blow it off. Might put a little drop of gun oil, not much, just so it is not dry. Then blow this out. Put it back in. Plastic piece first. Make sure it's straight. Use a tiny screwdriver for that. Now the spring. Put that piece in, make sure that button looks up, not here it wouldn't lock. So slide that in. And in the end, plastic lock. This has to slide in as well. Make sure that slides in here. Got a counter hold another piece when you hear the lock. No, it won't move. Still, I'll give here and there a little drop of oil so it just isn't too dry. That's all I do to the magazine. Now back to the gun. Got the gun cleaned, dried up. I think every time I look there I see another spot which I want to get cleaned. But for a quick in-field clean, that's enough. So first we want to put the slider and barrel back together. Barrel goes from the front, comes in here, should flush here, firm here, then comes this part, other way around as it was. You see here the U-shapes, they lay on the barrel like that. So you gotta go in here, put it in here, all the way to the front, put the thumb in here until, you see paper clip fall already out. If that's not the case, pull it out. Now let it go back slowly. Now I got the barrel back together with the slide. What I will do is here, I give the spots, I believe, are the most important spots, a little bit of lube, here a little bit, just a few drops. But this thing is always moving. And I loop the rail, here I get the lube, here I get the lube, here I give the rail a bit of lube, here. Then what I also like to do is push it all the way out, give it here a bit of oil. Now, back to the hand part, give some look to the rail, here's some rail, look on the rail. Now, I don't know if that is with the M1911, again it's my first gun, so I'm not sure. It's a bit tricky to get it back together, because this piece doesn't really stay the way it should stay, because this always folds back. I don't know if you can clearly see it. So when I let my thumb go, this would jump back, but I need this in this position, so it would actually, so I can put the pin back in. So what I do is I try to hold it as much front as possible, hold it, opposite, as much front as possible, and try to hold it upside down like this. Now for camera purposes, I turn it over and I try to slide in the gun. Again, I might shift over finger, already too late, gotta go back, push it in, time. Sometimes it works, so let's see. Gotta turn it over. See where the pin is. Pin needs to go all the way here again to the marker. And I got it in. Now you look. Pin is all the way through. Give it a few slides. Make sure it's lubricated. Dry fire it. Slide back. Dry fire it. Try it one more time. The safety back in. Kick one more time the towel. And gotta clean it a little bit more so it's nice dry on the outside so you can touch it without getting super dirty. Yeah, that's about it. Ready for another range day. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching my video. Should be here just as help. I got so many helpful videos on YouTube. I just couldn't find a proper one for the recoil and Armory M1911 A1 without the barrel bushing. So thanks again. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and share. Thank you.